welcome to our first rail bulletin, What's the Crack? On Track with Tim. Huddersfield Station officially reopened on the 29th of September after a 30-day blockade. Only platforms 1, 2 and 3 are open for now. The rest will open as work continues. From the 6th to the 24th of October, weekday trains between Huddersfield and Leeds will be diverted via Wakefield Kirkgate. That means no direct trains for Dewsbury, Batley or Ravensthorpe during these weeks. Expect longer delays and some replacement buses, so do check before you travel. The Penistone Line's had a huge win, £48 million in funding for station improvement and reliability upgrades. Kirklees Council's now commissioned a business case for faster services and possibly restoring double tracking key sections. Busy line, big potentials ahead. With Huddersfield's route under construction, the Calder Valley Line is picking up the slack. TransPennine Express is running up to 3 trains per hour via Brighouse and Hebden Bridge throughout October. Campaigners continue to call for full electrification, and Ellen Station is now due to open in 2026. Northern's opened a £46.5 million Hillhouse Depot in Huddersfield. It'll eventually have 5 maintenance lines. And looking ahead, their new Class 382 electric multiple units are expected to begin testing around 2030, replacing the old Class 150. Grand Central's planning new Bradford to London services from December, with Wakefield Kirkgate stops added. They've secured running rights until 2038 and have announced new tri-mode trains. And that's your crack for this episode. Huddersfield's back open, Penistone Line is getting a major boost, and the Calder Valley is doing the heavy lifting. What's the crack where you are? Drop a comment, I'd love to know. Like, subscribe, and join me on the next What's the Crack? On Track with Tim. Stay safe, travel smart, and I'll see you trackside.